Welcome to my channel. You can say it, beginning to advance, all in all, English grammar learning groups. We'll discuss everything step by step. Hope you will enjoy. Here is the content we're going to discuss. I will just naming the main part and those parts will be discussed step by step. So just introduce the content. Parts of speech, sentence, tense, question formation, subject-verb agreement, clause, phrase, passive voice, direct and indirect speech, comparative and superlative, inversion and emphasis, ellipsis and substitution, causative form, and finally punctuation. Hope you will enjoy, and I have shared this PDF format in the description section. Let's begin from the next video. Everything will teach you step by step. Till then, goodbye.